the voice, please. I like the sound of that. Wow. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is gonna be pretty sick because we're working on Bobbi's STI. I have a little present for you, babe.
Okay.
I think I've showed you this item, this very specific item before. So let's set the camera down and I'll show you what I got. Sit down.
Why did you look up there?
Yeah. We got this in the mail a long time ago. Remember this showed up? This is a gift for you.
I know, but what's in it?
Feel it? Is it light?
Yeah.
What is it?
Feels kind of like. Is it expensive?
Yeah, it is expensive.
And light?
Mm-hmm.
Is it for the exterior?
What's it made of?
Carbon fiber?
Okay.
You never told me anything about
You want to open it up?
Probably a box of air. Retrieve an ice for me, please?
I hope it's cool.
You haven't looked at it yet?
No, we got it like a month ago. You excited? You're just having such a bad day. I figured, you know, I'm gonna gotta get you a little gift today. Today's gotta
Just today. You ordered this today?
We're gonna pull it out of the box. Don't drop it.
Hey,
This button.
double-sided tape? Can you do the rest?
Want me to open it for you?
No, actually I got it. It kind of looks like a front. Is it a grill?
Keep it ripping open.
Oh.
You know what that is?
Yeah, it's for my like my bumper.
Remember I showed it to you?
Yeah. What the heck? When did you order this?
And I was
Honey?
like, I gotta get this.
That's so beautiful.
Okay.
Wow.
Don't drop it. Okay. All right. Two circumstances.
I knew there was gonna be a dilemma.
You can never scratch it,
Okay.
and you can never scratch it. Those are the two circumstances.
It's so pretty. I want to hold it. Keep on grabbing it. Wow.
Okay.
Gary doesn't have any aftermarket parts.
So as Bobbi's little gift for one of the first mods for STI, there's gonna be a ton of mods to come for that car. Hopefully in the near future. We've kind of just been getting settled into the new shop in the new house as well. But this is a new product from Burns Auto. I'll have it linked down in the description box below. But this is the front, what would you call that? So like on an 18 plus STI, they have the black section on the bumper, right?
Like a bumper insert?
Yeah, exactly. Bumper insert, that's pretty much what you call it. And this is gonna go over it. Obviously you can't take out the factory plastic piece. So this is an overlay made out of obviously very, very high quality carbon fiber. And it's freaking beautiful.
It is, it's so pretty.
It's so nice. I saw it, we were on Burns Auto like a month and a half ago maybe. And I was looking at all the crazy carbon fiber parts they make. And this popped up and I was like, that's insane. So I had to get it right away. But yeah, we're gonna pull Bobbi's car in the shop and we are gonna go ahead and get this guy installed.
Okay, now I want to tell my YouTube about it.
All right, so if you come down here, this is exactly what it's gonna go over. Let's just, you know, kind of gently slide it up on there.
Get an idea.
Get a little idea of how she's gonna sit.
Oof.
Oh.
Fits perfect.
It's gotta go more in there. Your lip might need to be unscrewed a little bit, but yeah, this whole section right here is gonna be covered by this insane carbon fiber. I kind of want to put some bolts in here just to like hold it on, you know?
Just to be careful.
We don't run front plates around this part of the world. Should we do it?
Yeah.
First thing you should do is washing the installation area of the car. That's the way to clean it up. Do I have IPA? I do have IPA. Next step is take IPA and clean it. So this whole, as far as I know, this whole thing is held on by double-sided tape. They included a ton of double-sided tape, so this whole section right here is all gonna be taped on. And then Bobbi and I are going to throw in some bolts just right here, just in case. Obviously it's a very expensive part. I don't want it flying off. When Bobbi goes buck 20 down the highway. So let's get this thing installed and see how she looks.
Yes.
For the boys. I love when I get it modded out for the boys. So step number 1, if you have a lip, it looks like you have to drop it down just so it tucks under it. That's gonna hold it on even more. Wow. Maybe we should do a carbon fiber lip. And a carbon.
On my Evo?
Should we do a carbon fiber whole front bumper?
No, that's too much.
Let's get this bad boy cleaned up. Get her mounted. So this right here is just 70% IPA, rubbing alcohol as Bobby calls it. I'm gonna get her all real nice and clean. Good?
Yep.
Freaking thick tape, huh?
Yeah.
Should we do it?
Mm-hmm. Gary needs a little love.
She needs a lot more than just this.
Yeah, she does.
She needs the exhaust pipe badly.
And lower and stuff.
Lower badly. So I kind of messed up a little bit, and if it's a problem in the future, I'll fix it. But the wider tape right here, this is the 2mm tape, that is supposed to go on the bottom. Bobby just now found this instruction notice. So the 2mm is supposed to go on this bottom edge, and the 1.2mm is supposed to go everywhere else. So if we have a problem in the future of that lifting, not a big deal, pop it off, swap out the tape, and we'll be good. But let's do the thing.
Mm-hmm. Damn, it looks so good.
All right, so we just got it fully installed, and if it's insane, if it's really, really good. I also did throw in these 2 little stainless steel Allen head bolts right here just to like make sure it's never gonna pop off. But yeah, we should be good. That thinner tape I put on the bottom is holding fine. It's not popping back off at all, so it's a good sign. And it looks insane. It looks nutty. We got some little fins right here, extra aerodynamics, I believe. Mm-hmm. Probably not, but it looks sick.
Out of all the years of Devin and I's carbon fiber experience, I feel like we haven't seen something that doesn't fit, like hasn't fit this good. This is like amazing. Like it just freaking slipped on like a glove.
She just flows hard.
Yeah.
She goes hard AF.
I can appreciate it.
This makes me laugh because it's literally a perfect example of like good aftermarket carbon fiber stuff fitting like that. And then this is this is stuff that doesn't fit good, where there's massive gaps everywhere. I literally looked at it, I'm like, that's the perfect example.
Yeah, it really is.
But this is a $100 China grill. That piece is a couple $100. So just a little side-by-side comparison for the boys. Now we gotta think. Like, since we got carbon here, you know?
Carbon grill? Carbon mirrors?
Carbon
trunk?
That's the problem with carbon, is it's just endless. Can we just do a whole carbon fiber car?
No.
This is sick. Drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think. I think we're probably one of the first people to run one of these.
Really?
I think they just started making these, and I'm pretty sure they're the only company in the world that makes them.
Damn.
I've never even seen anything like that. Like a whole carbon like hood or a bumper stick. But I think this is just clean. Nice, clean, simple,
Very clean.
subtle. Like if you're looking at the car, like, oh, that's a pretty sick car, and then you see that, and you're like, oh, it's subtle and sick.
That's like dope.
But yeah, don't do what I did. Make sure the 2mm tape goes on the bottom, and then 1.2mm tape goes on the top. It appears to be fine, so honestly, probably not a big deal. Yeah, big shout outs to Burns Auto for making a dope product.
Yeah, thanks Burns Auto.
Thanks, Bernie.
Damn.
I want to pull this car outside tomorrow and do a little like mini edit of the new carbon fiber mod. So, and it's already super late out. It's like, what is it, 10 p.m., 11 p.m. right now? It's getting pretty late. Yeah, we're gonna head home, and bright and early tomorrow, I'm gonna do a sick edit for the boys. There's only one thing I don't like about it. Those bolts that we put in there kind of like divoted in. Is that, oh my lord. Look at our baby. Wow. Can you imagine all those black pieces on the front carbon? Like the fog. I don't think they make fog light ones, but the grill would just, you know, that would really be a nice subtle touch to the STI. Wow.
A grill and the hood scoop.
You want a carbon scoop? I was gonna show you a carbon hood, but whatever.
Carbon hood is too much.
It's not too much.
Okay, that's enough.
Obviously, I'll link this down below. I think I already mentioned that like 86 times, but go cop when they're sick. Bye. Alright guys, to end off this vlog, I am going to take out the Evo 8. My parents are moving, they sold their house. They need some help moving, obviously I'm gonna go help them out. But on the way up there, there's a super windy like back road. So I'm gonna bust out the Evo 8 and we can go hit that road, do a little POV action, and finally get to enjoy this car a little bit. This car never really gets driven. We've had a lot of little issues with it, but I feel like they're pretty much all worked out. And I just really want to enjoy the car now. How good this car handles. It's so much lighter than the Evo 10. I feel like the steering's so much tighter than the Evo 10, much more responsive it feels like. And obviously having like a really good set of coilovers, which are the Yellow Speed Racing coilovers on the car, help out so much. This car is definitely, I always say it, this car's probably the most fun car to drive, like on this kind of stuff right here, back roads, nice tight turns where you can really get on it. I would say this is the most fun car I've ever owned to the state. My opinion might change in the future, but for now, this car definitely takes the cake. Hope you guys enjoyed today's episode. That's gonna be it. Peace out. I'll see you guys tomorrow.